First, let's have a look at the light L sound, as in lime. A light L is whenever the L sound goes into a vowel, like let or light. To make the light L sound, the tip of the tongue touches behind the top teeth and then comes down. L. And now on to dark L. To make the dark L sound, the tip of the tongue comes up so that the tongue is bowl-shaped and touches behind the top teeth. A dark L comes after the vowel, usually at the end of the word. Some students may find it more difficult to make the dark L sound. Here is a simple technique. Imagine a dot on the tip of your tongue and another just behind your teeth. Now make the O sound and bring the two dots together. Your tongue becomes like a bell shape. Now try with a like O, and you get the dark L. O, candle, apple, glad, college, blog, letter, spell, tell, bell. Luke Lock likes lakes. Luke's dog likes lakes. Luke Lock swims in lakes. Luke's dog looks at lakes. The dog takes a swim in lakes Luke Lock likes. Luke Lock takes his dog in lakes dogs like. The nightingale told his tale in his own melodious way. The lowly vale for the mountain vainly sighed. To his humble wail the echoing hills replied.